Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to save tuple data to a txt file. So I'm going to create a function called tuple txt. I'm going to create a path because we're going to save the txt file to this path, so it's going to be C users mark desktop. Okay, so this is the path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different, so you'll have to change yours accordingly. os.chdir, which is change directory, and we're going to change directory to this path here. Right, I'm going to create a tuple called data, and I'm going to assign it some elements, which is simply going to be dog, not fog, dog, cat, and mat. Right. Okay, so now we're going to create a text file with open like that, and we're just going to call it tuple data.txt, and we're going to add a W flag to it to write and create the file. So as file object. Now we're going to loop through it using for d in data. We're going to do file object dot write. So we're going to write the data into the file using the d there. So what we've done is we've looped through the tuple like that, dog, cat, mat, and we're writing it into the file, and then simply all we do is print a message to the user afterwards telling them what's happened, and we use the F string to format it. Tuple data created here, and then we simply interpolate the path there where we've created the file. All we have to do then is simply run it. So it's called tuple txt. Let's save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so it's told me the tuple data is created here on the desktop. Let's check out, see if it has created the file and copied the data into it. So it should be knocking around here, tuple data. Okay, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.